Welcome to this HDfleX tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to construct absolute uptake plots for your HDX analysis. So after completing all the import and fitting of the data in the first tab, we can now move on to constructing the absolute uptake plots for each state of the protein. So first, we need to load the protein sequence into the software by clicking on here and navigating to the FASTA file. You can also paste your protein sequence directly into this box. Next, you need to check whether this data is for MS only or for ETD fragment data as well. So since we only collected MS only data here, I will only check this box. And then I will select the protein of interest and the state of interest. And next, let's select the property to plot. So I would like to start with the uptake area. And then we can click on Analyze. HDfleX also allows us to visualize the absolute uptake plot as a function of time. So if I change it here to 50 millisecond, this should update to 50 millisecond uptake area across the protein. We can also use the slide bar here to change the time. So let's say you want to collect different times in one go. You can click on save more than one time point at once and writing down the time points that you wish to look at. And all you need to do is to click save, and as you can see, it will do it automatically. You might also want to visualize the uptake, the protection factor, and the observed rate constant. But bear in mind that the last two will only work if you've fitted the data. And specifically for protection factor, it will only work if you've fitted the intrinsic rates in the previous tab. You can also choose to open a new figure when you're plotting the data. So say I want to open this new figure and click Analyze. That should open a new window, and it should resize as you change the size of the figure, like this. You can then customize your absolute uptake plot by changing the face color, edge color, the edge width, the label size, so that's the X and Y axes, and the title size. So let's change the face color to this yellow here. And perhaps we want to change the label size to something a bit bigger. And we click Analyze. I hope you found this video useful. In the next video, I will show you how to look at difference plots in HDfleX.